Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'll be showing you unboxing and review of Affix USB cable. This Affix USB cable I bought from Amazon. This cost me around 130 rupees. The real cost of this is around 699 rupees. So let's start the unboxing and look out the first overview of it. So the box looks like this. As you can see, the Affix, they have put some 1.5 meter and it has 2.4 ampere rating, and this is a new product which they have bought. So let's open it now. So let me open it from here. Just a moment. I'll just pause the video for a while to open the box. Yeah, so now I have opened. Let us open the box now. As you can see, it is a sealed one, so it is good. So this comes out like this, and just a moment. Okay, yeah. So this thing has one more seal in it. You can see over here. Just let me keep it properly. Yeah. So let me open it now. Way to open it from here. So as you can see, we get an 12 months money back guarantee warranty card. So if you have any problem, they will refund the money in 12 months if you have any problem. So let's look out to the USB cable itself. Okay, the USB cable looks really good in my opinion. As you can see, the USB point has this Affix branding in it, and this thing looks really sturdy also. Doesn't seem like it's gonna get damaged in long time. And this one also is looking good only. This they have given the Affix logo. And let us look out to the full cable, how it is. So as you can see, this is 1.5 meter cable. It's really long, and it is quite enough for daily usage. I think so it's more than enough. So the wire quality is really good. From my opinion, it doesn't seem like to get teared down or what. The wire material looks like some cloth, synthetic cloth. It's not an rubber, because rubber usually gets damaged within some months. So really good. And the USB, this thing is also really good. As you can see, let me focus. uh, just try to see friends, I'm not able to focus. As you can see, the USB cable. Okay, and this thing also really good, as you can see. So I have to check out how much does it gives rating, because they have given it has 2.4 ampere, as you can see on the box. So I have to check it out. So initial impressions, it looks really good. I'll be testing out this. So that's all for the video. So if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.